Excuse me. I just wanted to remind you that you are able to manifest the life that you desire. To manifest simply means to make appear. So when we are manifesting, we are deciding what we want and we are making it appear with the help of God, the universe, ancestors, spirit guides, or angels, as some people like to call them. Contrary to popular belief, the first step of manifestation is actually believing that it is possible. You have to believe that you have the ability to create and manifest the life that you desire. The second step is to decide what it is that you want. The third step, which is so key and critical, visioning. Vision what you want, feel it. How do you want to feel when you have it? What do you want it to look like? Vision what you want, daydream about it, see yourself in it, feel yourself in it, know for sure that it is yours. The next step is to pay attention to the omens, the signs from the universe. The universe will start to give you confirmation that what you want, what you desire is actually starting to come to you. Signs and omens from the universe come in many different forms. Pay attention. Those signs or omens could be anything from constantly seeing what you want, seeing pictures of it, seeing it appear all around you, people talking about it, conversations just randomly popping up, and also natural signs, signs in nature. The next step, and one of the most important steps, is to do the work, because not only is the universe going to give you signs and omens of confirmation that you are attracting what you desire, the universe is also going to give you opportunities to attract what you desire. Doing the work means taking those opportunities. The next step, and the most important step to me, is giving gratitude. Every step of the way, we must give thanks. We must give gratitude. Because we know that what we desire is already ours, we must give thanks for it on the journey of attracting what is already ours. Once you decide what you want, you vision what you want, you pay attention to the signs and omens, and you do the work of taking the opportunities to attract what you want, you will start to see what you want appear or manifest before you. And that is how you intentionally manifest. To intentionally manifest, you are simply deciding what it is that you want, as opposed to just letting things happen. I hope this helps, family. Much love.